today we're gonna do an air horn. It's gonna be like a part 4 series by now, because I've been doing so many of these. But I'm pretty sure, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. And by the way, if you guys like my channel, then I really appreciate it. And yeah, so this is like a part 4 series, so let's go. You gotta hold these buttons to play. From me, okay.
You want to control your music? You can do it with Teams. You can remove...
Hold on. Okay, that was a sound issue. Okay, door. Oh God, that was so bad. That mosquito, I hate that mosquito. It's the weakness. Man, if I sleep in the bed, then if I hear this, I will totally slap that. I will totally kill with my hand because I'm not afraid. They're just small, but they are a bloodsucker. Okay, I don't want to hear it. Alright guys, I hope you guys like...
You need to have this app on your phone. If you're still in school or at a job, chances are you do
Okay guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. So I see you guys in the next video. Bye!